In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your Typeform before sending it out, without affecting your live form or using up response quotas. This is a crucial step to ensure that your form is functioning precisely as intended, providing a seamless experience for anyone who interacts with it. Let's dive right in. The official method we're discussing today involves utilizing the Preview mode. First, you'll want to open your form in the Content tab of the Builder. This section is your workspace where you can control and customize the content that will reach your audience. It is where all your form-building magic happens. Once you're in the Content tab, keep an eye out for a play icon, typically located at the top of your screen. Clicking this will open a preview window. This is going to be your testing ground where you can see exactly how your form will look and function in a live environment, but importantly, without making any real changes to the live form or using any response quotas. Within this preview window, you also have the option to switch views between desktop and mobile interfaces by selecting the mobile icon. This feature is invaluable as it allows you to ensure that your form looks great and works smoothly on all devices. Given the widespread use of mobile devices today, having a form that is mobile-friendly can significantly improve user engagement and response rates. While in preview mode, take the opportunity to thoroughly test out the full flow of your form. This includes not only the design and appearance, but also the logic, any media elements you've incorporated, and overall functionality. Looking at every aspect will help identify any potential issues. Whether these are broken links, media that isn't displaying correctly, or logical elements like conditional questions that aren't triggering as they should, previewing allows you to catch and remedy these issues early. Once you've walked through your form and you're satisfied with how everything looks and behaves, simply click the X at the top of the preview window to exit. Remember, at this point, none of the changes or trials have affected your live form. Finally, when you're confident and ready to make your changes public, hit Publish Edits. This step will push all your recent updates live, maintaining the same link for your form, so there's no need to redistribute URLs. This continuity is particularly useful if you've already shared the link or embedded it in your online platforms, and there you have it, a simple, efficient way to preview and perfect your Typeform. By following these steps, you'll ensure a smooth and engaging experience for everyone who interacts with your form. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.